Hello everyone. Today we are going to see our chapter 2 exercise 2.1. Already 4 problems we covered. The remaining 4 problems today we can see. A fifth problem. Find the perimeters of triangle ABE, the rectangle BCDE in this figure. Whose perimeter is greater? Here they have given one figure. We have to find the perimeter of the triangle ABE and the rectangle BCDE. After finding out the perimeter, we have to check that which perimeter is greater. Whose perimeter is greater? Okay. Now we can get into the problem. By the figure AB equal to 5 by 2 centimeter, these things given in your figure. AE is equal to 3 into 3 by 5. This is mixed fraction. How we can change? 5 into 3. Right, the denominator into that quotient. 5 into 3 plus remainder 3 divided by 5. So 15 plus 3 divided by 5, 18 by 5. Next BE, 2 into 3 by 4. How we can change? 2 into 4 plus 3 by 4. So 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. ED already in your figure, that is 7 by 6 centimeter. I think do you all know about how to change the mixed fraction into that normal fraction, right? That's why I explained there. Once go through that. Next, perimeter of the triangle. This is the first thing we have to find it out. What is the perimeter of the triangle? The sum of all the sides. Sum is nothing but you have to add all the sides. Okay. So now the perimeter of triangle ABE equal to, what are all the three sides? AB, BE and EA. Okay. So we know each and every value, substituting those values. 5 by 2 plus 11 by 4 plus 18 by 5. See here, denominators are different. First we have to make the denominator as equal. For that finding out LCM. What is that LCM of 2, 4 and 5? 20. Right? So take your first fraction 5 by 2. Make the denominator as 20. What we have to do? Multiply 10 by 10. So 50 by 20. 11 by 4 into 5 by 5, 55 by 20. 18 by 5 into 4 by 4, 72 by 20. So we changed the denominator as 20. So every denominators are equal. Now we can add 50 plus 55 plus 72 divided by 20. So if we add 177 divided by 20. Now how we can make it as mixed fraction? Divide 177 divided by 20. 8 20s are 160. The remainder is 17. So how we can write? Divided by 20. Put the quotient in the side 8 and put the remainder in the numerator. So this is the form of your mixed fraction. Is this clear? If you are dividing 177 divided by 20, put the quotient 8 in the side and the remainder is in numerator. Next, second subdivision, perimeter of the rectangle, perimeter of the triangle over. Now perimeter of the rectangle. What is the formula? 2 into length plus breadth. So perimeter of the rectangle BCD equal to 2 into, what is your length? BE plus what is your breadth? ED. Okay, we know the value. 2 into BE is 11 by 4 plus ED is 11 by 6. Now also you can see that denominators are different, which is 4, 6. First find the LCM of 4, 6. What you will get? 12. So first take the first fraction 11 by 4. We have to make the denominator as 12. So 4 into 3 will gives you 12. So we are multiplying by 3. So 33 by 12. Next 7 by 6. 6 into 2 will gives you 12. So we are multiplying 2 by 2, which is 14 by 12. Now we can add because denominators are equal. So 2 into 47 by 12. Right? So 2 into 47 by 12. 1 2 is 2. 6 2s are 12. We cancel that. So 47 by 6. How we can make this 47 by 6 as mixed fraction? Divide 47 by 6. 7 6 of 42. The remainder is 5. Okay, I already told. Put the quotient in the side and the remainder in the numerator. So 7 into 5 by 6. Okay. So perimeter of the triangle is 177 by 20 and perimeter of the rectangle is 47 by 6. We are not taking here mixed fraction. Why I did mixed fraction means you have to know how to change a normal fraction into mixed fraction. Right? So we know the perimeter of a triangle and the rectangle. Now we have to compare now. Okay. So first thing, for comparing we have to see the denominator. Denominators are different. To make the denominator same, what we have to do? Taking LCM. So the LCM of 20, 6 will gives you 60. Now change the denominator as equal. 177 divided by 20 into 3 by 3, because 20 into 3 will gives you 60. Next 47 by 6 into 10 by 10, 6 into 10 will gives you 60. So 531 by 60 is greater than 470 by 60. What is the original value? 531 by 60 means 177 by 20 is greater than 47 by 6. So here clearly we can know that perimeter of triangle ABE is greater than perimeter of triangle BCDE. Is it clear? The major thing what you have to know, if the denominator is equal, then only we can do the problem. Sixth question. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 into 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture can't be more than 7 into 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? See, the frame size they have given, the picture size they have given. Okay. If we are going to put the picture into the frame, it should be correct. Right? Suppose you are having a pencil which is very big than your box. Now how you can put? So for that, the same thing here. The picture and the frame are here. We have to make it as same size. Now the picture width, what they have given? 7 into 3 by 5. So how we can make the mixed fraction into normal fraction? 7 into 5 plus 3 divided by 5. So 38 by 5 centimeter. Next, frame width. 7 into 3 by 10. How we can make? 7 into 10 plus 3 by 10. So 73 by 10 centimeter. Now if we find the difference, then we can know how much we have to trim. So 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10. Denominators are different. Find the LCM. LCM of 5 and 10 will gives you 10. Right? So 38 by 5 into 2 by 2, because 5 into 2, 10. So 76 by 10 and 73 by 10 into 1 by 1, which is 73 by 10. If we subtract, we will get the trimmed, the picture how we have to trim. So 76 minus 73 by 10, 3 by 10. Next, Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share? By how much? It's nothing but Ritu is having one full apple. Okay, one apple she is having. She ate some part of that apple, that is 3 by 5. Okay, the remaining apple is her brother ate. Okay, now what they are asking, who had larger share? Who ate the apple more and how much? First, Ritu's part is 3 by 5. How we have to find Somu's part? Suppose you are having 10 chocolates totally. You have eaten 2 chocolates. So what is the remaining thing? 10 minus 2 will gives you 8. The same thing here. Somu's part is the whole apple. 1 minus Ritu's part 3 by 5. Okay. So now we are going to take LCM. The LCM of 1 and 5 will gives you 5. So 1 by 1 into 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 1. So denominators are equal now. 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5 will gives you 2 by 5. So Ritu's part is 3 by 5. Somu's part is 2 by 5. Which is greater? Ritu's part 3 by 5 is greater. Now they are asking how much difference to subtract. 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 will gives you 1 by 5. So Ritu's share is larger than Somo's share by 1 by 5. Clear? Next, 8th problem. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the picture in 3 by 4 hour. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? Two members are there. They are coloring the picture, and here what they are asking, who worked longer? Who is taking so much time to work? And how much it is longer, they are asking. The previous problem we did na apple problem, like that only, but here the concept is different. They are painting a picture, which is coloring a picture. Michael and Vaibhav. Michael 7 by 12 hour and Vaibhav 3 by 4 hour. Now we can see. So time taken by Michael is 7 by 12. Time taken by Vaibhav 3 by 4. So the denominators are different. So first take the LCM of 12 and 4. What we will get? 12. Right? So 7 by 12. Already we are having 12 here. So 1 by 1, which is 7 by 12. Next 3 by 4. 4 into 3 will gives you 12. So 3 into 3, 9. So 7 by 12 is less than 9 by 12. What is the original value? 7 by 12 is 7 by 12 and 9 by 12 means 3 by 4. So clearly we can say that Vaibhav worked long time. We have to find the difference. So 3 by 4 minus 7 by 12. Already we have taken LCM. 3 by 4 means what we can write? 9 by 12. So 9 by 12 minus 12 by 7 by 12. 9 minus 7 will gives you 2. 2 by 12. 2 by 12 means 1, 2, 6 twos. So 1 by 6. Is it clear? Thank you so much for watching this video. The remaining thing we will continue in our next class. Thank you.